Welcome guys. In the last tutorial we have seen how we can send an email using email.js API using our Gmail account. In this tutorial we will have a form in React, and on the submit of form we will be able to send an email, and the email will have all the input values which we submit in the form. So let's come to the development kit. So here, let me show you how you can introduce email.js into your project. So you need to run this command npm install email.js.com dash dash save. So once I run it, although I have already added it in my project, but still I can run it again to show you. So once you have email.js into the dependency added into your project, you can import like this into your form email.js from email.js.com. Okay, so we have a method handle submit in the form. On the submit of a form, we will call this handle submit. So on submit we are calling this method. So in the submit method I am calling email.js dot send form API. So it has got four parameters. So I will show you what is the purpose of every parameter and how you will get the value of each one of it. So once I hover it, you will see the first parameter is a service ID. It's the email.js service ID. So let's come to the email.js console, and here you see the service ID. So service ID is Gmail. So we will copy this value Gmail and we'll put it here. The next value is the template ID. So it's a template email.js template ID. So again we go to the email.js console and the templates, and here you see the template ID. So we copy the template ID and we put it into the form. The third parameter is the form element or selector. So you can configure any property of the form which act as a selector. So I have used the class name as a selector. So in the form I have given the class name any string value, and that value needs to be passed to the third parameter of email.js. This will help the email.js API to get the input data for all the fields which this form has contained. So if in the form I am having name and I am having phone and then email, so all the values based on this name will be captured by the email.js API. And then the last parameter, which is the email.js user ID. So let's come again and click on here, and here you see API keys, and here you see the user ID. So copy this value user ID and put it as a fourth parameter of email.js. Once you have this four values correctly copy pasted over here, and then let's run the application. Okay, so there is a very basic form, there is no validation, and I have not worked on styling of the form. I'm sorry about it. So let's put some meaningful information, and then phone number 1234555, and email, any email, abc@gmail.com. Once I submit this, I will check my email, I refresh it, and there we go. We have received the email, name, phone, and email. The body of the email can be configured in very good way. Come to the email templates and edit the template, and there's a very good utility here which will help you to design your email body. Okay, so that's it for sending the email. Just want to remind one thing about this value which we are looking at here. 196 emails are remaining. So this is the free version of email.js which allows 200 emails in 1 month only. So for demo purpose I have used this. For commercial purpose you need to buy from email.js. So thanks for watching. If you liked content of my video, please subscribe. Thank you.